welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look. The palette that I use changes often, but this is the one that I've been using most frequently within the past couple of weeks. That's a very redundant sentence, but you know what I mean. I'm going to be using the Going Coconuts palette from ColourPop. It's already faded out, which happens with all of their packaging, but we're just gonna get started. Generally, these are the shades that I really love using. I'll put this one all over my lid and then the others on my crease, and I'll just build it up like that. I already primed my lids with Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I just get started on the shades using that white one all over my lids, just because it helps me set my primer. So I use either Urban Decay Primer Potion or Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Those are the two primers that I currently have a bunch of and I'm trying to use up. But if you're looking for a good drugstore primer, I would definitely recommend the Milani one, which I also have somewhere in this mess. So then I grab a fluffy crease brush and I just build up all of those shades, usually starting off with Nutty, and then we build it. I'm trying to get used to filming with these bangs. I know I could just clip them back, but I feel like they're gonna affect the shape of them. And pretty soon I'm gonna have my curls back, so these bangs are definitely gonna look a lot different, which I'm not looking forward to. I'm trying to stay away from heat though, just because I have a wedding in the fall, and I have my wedding in the fall, and I don't want to have short hair on my wedding day, but I also don't want to do anything like extensions, just because I've never had hair extensions, and I don't know, I'm not sure how I feel about them for myself personally. So I just blend. So I continue the process on my other eye. So once I'm done building up the crease, I will use the shade Cocoa Crush, and that is the only shimmery, well, that's the only light shimmery shade in this palette. I will use that all over. It's a nice shimmery shade that looks good all over the lid. So that is what I'm going to do right after I'm done blending this out. This is a very simple look that I love doing when I'm in a rush, because oftentimes I don't have time for anything. Even though I generally do my makeup first, like when I'm getting ready in the morning, this is the thing I do first because I know it's what takes the longest. And I like to get it out of the way. Since I'm wearing a face mask, I'm not going to do any of the foundation or anything because it's just going to end up on my mask. We're just going to do some concealer after this. Move my bangs out of the way. Here's what it's looking like so far. And then I'm just going to brighten up the inner corner with the shade Palm Reader. I mean, my inner corners are already pretty bright, but that's fine. So now I'm going to use some eyeliner. This is from NYX. It's my favorite. I buy it all the time. And this is actually a new bottle because I've been trying to use up the other one that I had, and it's been drying out for such a long time, but I just didn't want to go out and buy anything at all. Like, I'm just trying not to spend any money. Even though I've already established in my no buy rules that I can buy eyeliner and mascara. It's a little thicker than what I wanted, but that's fine. And then I just repeat the same process on the other eye. I'm trying to get used to not using liquid eyeliner on top, but it's really hard for me. Like, if I were to leave it like this and just put mascara on, it looks fine too, but I'm just so used to always lining my eyes, at least on top. I just feel like my lashes look longer and thicker with liner, of course. So for mascara, every single day I use the lash primer from Essence, as well as an Essence mascara, or I have the L'Oreal Bambi mascara. But these mascaras here are super affordable, and they give me a lot of length and volume. It's all about finding the right one. Sometimes it's trial and error, but honestly, I've only ever tried, I want to say like 1 or 2 Essence mascaras that I didn't absolutely love. It's a very big brush. Okay. So that's what it looks like. So that's what it looks like with mascara on, and then we're going to do the same process right here. So now that my mascara is completely done, the sun is rising, by the way, in case you can see that brightness. I'm going to move on to my under eye area. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't, because depending on my mask, it's going to smear all over it. So I'm going to use the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer all over my eyes. I don't really love this. It's a bit expensive, and I don't really notice the difference when I put it on as opposed to when I don't. But since I'm trying to use it up, that's kind of the theme of this year. I'm gonna blend that underneath my eyes, give it a couple seconds, and I'm gonna follow up with concealer. So I don't have a good concealer right now. I'm trying to use up what I have before buying another one. This is the one from First Aid Beauty. It's their Hello Fab Blendy Avocado Concealer. I love the consistency, but this is 100% not my color. You're gonna see that right away. This is in 2.5. I don't know, the undertones just look a little off for me, but I'm gonna continue to use it until I run out so that I can buy another one, and probably not this one, just because it's a little expensive. I might just go for a drugstore option. So then I blend that out. So if I'm going outside, I don't put any lip products on, but since I am going to be filming a couple more videos before I go outside, I'm going to do a little bit of lip gloss. This is from Fenty Beauty. It's their Pro Kisser Lip Balm, even though it's really a lip gloss, and it's in the color Hint Hint. Alright, so there you have it. That is my everyday makeup look. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. That definitely helps this video out. And I will see you very soon with another video. My uploads nowadays are Mondays and Thursdays, and occasionally I'll throw in a video on Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, stay safe.